Hello, Rosa's Holiday Your Way enthusiasts. Here we are again with another unboxing of an incredible item from our Notions and Gifts box, the countdown this year for 2025. This is your last warning. If you do not want to see what's in the box, please, please, please close this video, shut down, go someplace else, and come back when you would like to see what we have in store for you. As we do each day, we're going to go through each item. I'm going to shake it like a kid in a candy store. We're going to bend it, twist it, and see if we can guess what's inside. And then I will tell you why it was selected for this specific item and for this specific box. Okay, so today's item, we're going for the big guy. We're gonna go with the biggest bag in the whole box. And it's this guy. It's got the little like gold-ish polka dots on it, large. And it says, flat seams will make you happy. Keep in mind, you is spelled E-W-U. So I remember at the time we were posting these on the internet and asking you guys what you thought might be included inside. And we had a lot of people that made guesses that were actually correct. And so I'm not going to go into too much about this. I mean, it's got some flex to it. It feels a little rigid. It's about square is what I will tell you. But yeah, I think it comes down to the EWE will make you happy. So let's go ahead and open this one up. And what is included in this bag is a wool pressing mat. And it is the 8-inch square one, 8.5-inch square wool pressing mat from, again, Gypsy Quilter. So we love the Gypsy Quilter products, and we included this pressing mat in many of our retreat bags, many of our retreat swag bags from this past year, because we liked that this is small, we like that this is compact, and you still retain all the benefits of using a wool pressing mat. So when you press into it, the heat comes back to you. This is super convenient if you are a puzzle mystery quilt detective, because you can put all the monthly clues on this and you can just stitch those triangles. You don't even have to get up. You don't have to get the ironing board out of the closet. Everything is right here. You can press right on top of this. We like the wool pressing mat as well for the PMQ because it helps hold those seams really crisp and really sharp, so that way all of your points match up at the end of the day. And so we thought it was so stinking cute, and it was super petite. And if you have one, it's okay. You can have another one, because this is something that you can definitely share with the bestie or have in multiple places depending on how you sew. So we loved it, and we are so thankful that we were able to share this with you guys as well. All right, enthusiasts, and that's it. I hope you enjoyed today's unboxing. Join us again tomorrow when we will have another fantastic gift. We're going to open it, we'll take a look at it, and we'll learn all about it tomorrow in our next video. That is all for us. Happy sewing, and we will see you soon.